This video is made in partnership with Hellmann's Best Foods, and today I'm going to show you how I make one of my favorite types of chicken wraps. So you're going to start off with chicken breast, and you can season it to your liking. I added salt and pepper, paprika, and a little cayenne pepper. And once it's fully cooked, you want to slice it up into thin slices against the grain. And then I used a spinach tortilla to add the chicken to. Next, I topped it off with the Hellmann's Drizzle and chili honey sauce. And I topped that with some cheddar cheese, diced tomatoes, lettuce, and on top I put the cilantro, lime, drizzle sauce, and some tortilla strips. I wrapped it up, cut it in half, and here's the finished product. Do you guys like to eat chicken wraps? Have you ever tried one like this? What flavor of drizzle do you think you would like best? And make sure you visit the description so that you can get $2 off the product through the link I'm sharing.